We are absolutely humiliated.
Izisebenzi zaseDenel zizizwa zidangele ngokwenziwa izikhulu kuzona. Izisebenzi eziningi zihola imali encane ngale kokuya emsebenzini nsuku zonke. Ngokusho kwenyunyana iNUMSA, izisebenzi ezimbili zizibulele. Abanye banquma ukusula emsebenzini ukuze bathole imali yempesheni bakhokhe izindlu zabo bavikele isithunzi sabo.
In some months we get zero payment. We get a R0 value. This year was very bad. In January we received 0%.
Ezinye izisebenzi sola uhulumeni ngokulaxaza iDenel. Ungqongqoshe Gordhan utshele iPhalamende ukuthi ibhodi lisazama ukuvikela imali ukuze kukhokhwe imali engu-500 wezigidi ekweletwa izisebenzi kanye nokwethula uhlelo lokuhlenga kabusha lenkampani.
The board of Denel was constituted in 2018 with 12 members. Since then, 7 board members have resigned, and the shareholder, however, has chosen not to strengthen the board.
Izisebenzi uhulumeni wenza izinto zibe zimbi kakhulu eDenel. iNUMSA isola uhulumeni ngokucekela phansi izinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso ezifana neDenel, SA Express kanye neSAA.
Has this demand for its services to the value of 11 billion rand, but it doesn't have the operating capital in order to fill those orders. Government, as the shareholder, must step in and capitalize Denel so that it can actually fill this order, generate an income, and actually be sustainable in the long term.
iNUMSA ithi uhulumeni wehlulekile ukusiza izisebenzi. Inyunyana SA iyise iDenel enkantolo okungakhokhela kwezisebenzi imiholo.
We've attended meetings where employees broke down in tears, bleeding. The entire room was emotional and teary-eyed. And again, we hope that the fact that they continue showing resilience will ultimately pay off and that government will assist.
This is too much for us. Some of us are not strong enough to sit here and come to work and smile. It's difficult.
Izisebenzi eDenel ziyaqhubeka nokuhlala ethembeni.
It's difficult. I cannot. Guys, please make a plan.